Let's make hard-loaf bread from these two sweet purple potatoes. Recipe, we're going to be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sweet mashed purple potato. We have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We have 1 whole egg. We also have a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and don't forget the instant yeast. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and combine the wet ingredients. We're starting off with the egg. We're also adding in our sweet potato. And if you don't have the purple potato, definitely feel free to use the regular sweet potato. We're also adding in our sugar, the coconut oil, let's add the salt now. You can go ahead and add the flour. Let's add the yeast. Go ahead and add the whole pack. Also add some nutmeg. And remember to clean up as you go, so you have a clean kitchen to work with afterwards. We have a cup of warm milk, and this is optional, by the way. You can use water if you don't have any milk. So I'm going to go ahead now and knead everything. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Alright, so we're going to let the dough sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to knead it some more. Okay, so the dough has risen fully. It could raise a little bit more, but I'm going to pop this in the oven now and bake it. So remove it from the oven, we just want to press it, and it comes back up. That means it's ready. So I'm just going to go ahead now and brush some butter onto it. You can clearly see that it's done. I'm going to slice it just to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to save this to have it for breakfast tomorrow. Guys, if you end up liking the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also check in the comment section down below where I'll be pinning the recipe. Please follow it. Comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turns out. And let me know if you would try this delicious and nutritious bread.